Hey guys, welcome back. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we are doing the Allure unboxing. This is actually the last Allure unboxing that I will be doing on my channel. I did cancel it after they increased the price. You know, the last month my skirt wasn't blown up by the extra cost and what we received, because we were to receive, I think, 5 to 7 items, and like 3 or 4 are supposed to be full size, and it met that goal last month. But this month, no, I did look in here when I received it, and when I saw what was in here, I abruptly canceled. So let's do this unboxing, go over it. And it wasn't, in November, it wasn't that the box was bad. It wasn't bad. I was just expecting it to be competing with BoxyCharm, and I did not see that occurring in that box. I saw, you know, kind of a missed opportunity by Allure, because I just felt like, since the price point is almost exactly like BoxyCharm, you would think that the products would be comparable to BoxyCharm. And I don't mind deluxe size samples. I love deluxe size items, especially because I have a lot more items in my collection. However, even the full-size items were lacking. So, yeah, I was just a little bummed. So I was hoping December was going to be better. Allure usually knocks it out of the park in January, so I should have waited 1 more month, but I didn't. So let's go over what we received in this month's box. I do have my glasses on, so I can tell you. So, because last time it was just a cluster with me having to keep looking it up in the book to tell you what we received, and putting my glasses on and taking them off. So I apologize if there's any glare off of my glasses, but I thought this would be a little bit easier than what we went through last month. That was a little rough. For those of you who are interested in Allure, it is, I want to say, $24 now for 5 to 7 items. 3 to 4 are full-size items now. And I like Allure because, one, they do the beauty awards, but two, they really have their finger on the pulse of the, you know, beauty industry. So I have a love-hate relationship with the Allure beauty box, and that's obvious since I canceled it. So let's go over what we received in this box. If this is what we received, what I'm looking at is in here, I missed it. So that's okay. Okay, so the first item we have is this little bag with something make a noise. This one is a deluxe size item by Beauty Loot. Oh, it's not by Beauty Loot. I don't know what Beauty Loot stands for. It says, from Allure Beauty Box, thank you. We hope you enjoy the special gift. It's totally separate from your regular beauty box and our way of showing you how much we appreciate having you as a loyal member. Thank you, Allure. I feel bad for just talking smack about you, because this is a Lip Maestro from Giorgio Armani, and this is in the shade Cedar. I own nothing by Giorgio Armani outside of perfume, so this is kind of exciting. Isn't that cute? That's really cute. Now I'm kind of feeling scummy. So let's swatch it. Oh, it's like velvet. That's pretty. That is like my shade. I was hoping it would smell like vanilla because it feels like when I'm putting it on, it's so soft. I was expecting it to smell like frosting because that's kind of how it feels going on. Kind of airy. So that's really pretty. I feel bad that I spoke ill of Allure. Okay, this next one is by Cetaphil. It is a deluxe size item. It is a Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. I like Cetaphil. I used to buy it all the time for Jordan for her eczema. So this says it nourishes to deeply replenish skin's hydration for 48 hours. I'm excited to try this. Another deluxe sized item of La Roche-Posay. This is the Retinol B3 serum. What does it say it does? It doesn't say, it does not say in English what it does. I have no clue. It's renewing and resurfacing. That is the only thing I can make out. So this must be a skincare item B3, not BB. This is a skincare item. I am actually excited to try this. I'm getting into serums a little bit more. I wish they'd do something about my Tom Selleck, but it's very noisy. But I'm excited to try this. I swear La Roche-Posay is in so many beauty boxes, which is fine. I like them. I like see them every month. This next one is another deluxe. Maybe it isn't. Maybe it is a full-size item. This is by Caudalie. It's their Vino Source SOS Thirst Quenching Serum. And it's for dehydrated skin. Apply morning and evening to face, neck, and before your moisturizer. So this is definitely a deluxe size. I thought it would, if it was an eye serum, yeah, this would definitely be a full size. But now that I know it's a moisturizer, I know for sure it's a deluxe size item. So we have 3 deluxe size items so far. This next one is by Mud Masky. I love Mud Masky. This is Leave Me On Winter Mask. It's pH balance. It's to protect, moisturize, ultra repair, nourish, and is anti-aging. So I'm excited to try that. This is definitely a deluxe size as well. Maybe not. Maybe this is a full size. To me, it looks like a deluxe size though, since it is a leave-on mask, so it's like a moisturizer. But maybe it's a full size. That's a tiny full size. But that's our 4th item. And then we have the final item. Oh, no, here's one. This one was hiding on me. This is the By Me X My Beauty brand. It is a black liquid eyeliner. I have never heard of the By Me and My Beauty brand. I don't know. Anybody ever hear of them? Let me know down in the comments. If you've tried them, let me know what you think of them. And then the last one we received, so that's a full-size item. And number 6, is it 6 or 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number 6, because they're not counting the Beauty Loot from Giorgio Armani in this. We have a Ciate London. It looks like an eyeshadow palette. Off the back of the box, I can see multiple spots. So this palette is called the 9-piece eyeshadow palette. It's called the Trend Edit palette is what it's called. And it is a 9-pan palette. That is pretty. It looks like it's been swatched. I have not swatched this, guys, or looked at it. That is pretty. Are these glitters? I'm hoping not. No, they look like metallics. Maybe not. Maybe they are. No, it's a metallic. That's pretty. That's pretty. So that is the Trend Edit palette. Let me, do you guys want me to swatch it for you? Let me swatch it for you. Okay, this is the first 3. Ignore the one I swatched that I thought was this one. Ignore that one. So there's the first 3. Let's do the middle row. I guess there's names on here, huh? Okay. Even with glasses, I cannot make out these words. Okay, we have nude, blushed, and burnt. Then we have caramel, love heart, and baby. Let me swatch those. Oh, those are pretty. That pink is gorgeous. Love heart. I know I already swatched it, but that's gorgeous. Then we have mink, desert, and champagne. That mink one looks pretty. These feel like butter. So mink, desert, and champagne. So that is the palette. That's a really pretty palette. Okay, I really feel bad for talking smack about Allure now. Oh well, I did. I can't take it back now. I suppose I can edit it, but I'm not going to. All right, that is pretty. And this is really soft, so you will see any of the makeup items you will see come up in a future Get Ready With Me. Maybe not the liquid eyeliner because I have so many black liquid eyeliners. I need to use the older ones before I use the newer ones. So that one may not be used, but the rest of them will. So that is it. What do you think? You know, they kind of pulled my heartstrings with that Giorgio Armani Beauty Loot for no, for no reason, they say. Although it is the 7th item in the box, they say it's not part of the box. So discounting the Giorgio Armani, what do you think? That Lit Maestro, though, is really pulling my heartstrings and making me wish I had not canceled. Like I said, I have a love-hate relationship with Allure. I'm just not sure that what we receive is worth the price point, considering if I hop over to BoxyCharm, I pay a couple dollars more and I get full-size items. I am sure I canceled because I did open the box and I was disappointed just by looking in the box. So maybe I jumped the gun. Maybe I jumped the gun. And maybe I thought I canceled and I didn't. That could be too. But I'm pretty sure I know I canceled. So should I not have? Should I go sign back up? Because, yeah, they got me with that Giorgio Armani, for no reason. They got me. Now I'm feeling bad. Leave your thoughts down below. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box. If you're interested in the Allure Beauty Box, even though I just talk smack about it, if you're interested, the link will be down below and it is, I do get something. If you use that link, I don't know what it is though, but I may not get anything since I don't think I get this box anymore. So use it if you'd like. Otherwise, hop on over to Google and type in Allure Beauty Box and it will pull up. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you didn't mind me having my glasses on too much. I don't know how bad the glare was or not because I try not to look at myself, even though once in a while I see a glare on there, and so I try to look down, but I don't know. Leave me your thoughts about the glasses because it really did help with this box. I'll see you guys. I'm done. I am so done yakking. Please take good care. Be safe, be smart, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.